95% of people who try to make money online fail. The reason: fake advice or scattered efforts. Success equals clarity plus consistency. In this video, you'll find 6 clear ways through which real people are making money online. No scams, no selling courses, no motivational fluff, just actual proven models. One path might be perfect for you. Watch till the end. Write in the comments: have you ever tried to make money online? A. Yes, successful. B. Yes, failed. C. No. Let's see how many people really want to earn. 1. Freelancing. Skill equals money. Most people think online money comes from followers. Truth: first, money comes from skill. I learned copywriting, took my first client for $5 on Upwork. In 8 months, it became $720 a month. Graphic design, video editing, voiceovers, translation, coding, whatever you know, you can monetize. You don't need a boss. You need clients. Solution: choose a skill. Learn to deliver in 30 days. Create a freelance profile. Watch how to make money online as a beginner. 7 steps to earning, for a step-by-step guide to freelancing success. 2. YouTube automation. Camera off, money on. Imagine your videos going viral without showing your face. Voiceover, script writing, editing, everything can be outsourced. I created a top 10 channel with a friend. In 4 months, 22,000 subscribers and monthly income. Topics: comedy, finance, motivation, gadgets, your system, your rules, revenue, ads, affiliate links, sponsors. Start with free tools: CWA, CPCAT, ChatGPT. Check out laziest ways to make money online. For beginners, for faceless content idea. 3. Affiliate marketing. Sell without a product. I wrote 2 helpful blog posts, a book summary, and a headphone guide. After 2 months, I got a payout of $45 from Amazon. 0 investment, just smart setup. Once the link is live, the money keeps coming. Use YouTube descriptions, Telegram channels, blogs. Do honest reviews of things you already use. Create value, not noise. Explore the best 100 free websites to make money online in 2025 for affiliate-friendly platforms. 4. Niche writing. Write for outcomes. Money comes from niche, outcome-driven writing. SEO blogs with high Google rankings. Ghostwriting for influencers. Newsletters that build trust. I wrote about crypto/blockchain. Started at 2 cents per word, earning $24 per week for 1,000 words. Sharpen your writing in one niche: crypto, finance, fitness, tech. Learn how writing scales income in these 6 skills. 5. Coaching, consulting. Show results, earn money. My friend lost 8 kilograms. Posted his transformation. Got DMs. Bro, meal plan? Launched one-on-one coaching for $12. Made $180 in the first month. If you've achieved any result, fitness, studies, career, healing, people will pay for the shortcut. Just show. I did it. You can too. Watch latest. Way to start online remote work in 2025 for beginners. For coaching and consulting ideas. 6. Platform hopping, the silent killer. Most people fail because they don't stay consistent. Week 1, YouTube. Week 2, LinkedIn. Week 3, Instagram. Week 4, dropshipping. Result: everything starts, nothing finishes. You don't need shiny tools. You need boring consistency. I wrote my first blog for 6 months with 0 views. In month 7, I earned $38 from affiliate. Choose one platform. Understand its rules. Work for 90 days, minimum. See how persistence pays off and how to actually make money online in 2025. Case study. Now you have 6 clear models: freelancing, faceless, YouTube, affiliate marketing, niche writing, coaching, platform consistency. Pick one. Get serious for 90 days. Your online income will become real. Stop platform hopping. Build compound assets. Write in the comments, "I'm starting with a period," and subscribe. Because here, you get the truth without the nonsense.